Hello everybody, this is Cameron Snow with Danomics. So welcome back to our series on raster logs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use raster logs to supplement your petrophysical interpretation. So let's get started. I have created a CPI file, and in this CPI, I've brought in my well headers, logs, and tops. And so everything's displayed, and I've set a key well, which is the Amplex. This is one of the three wells that has rasters. We have, these three wells are the ones that we imported rasters for. So, we're just picking up from that last video where we had imported our rasters and we came through and we had defined tracks and depth registered those. And so what we're going to do now is just continue with this. So what I'm going to do is show you how to add a raster track. So I'm going to click here on the I'm going to hide these databases away so we have a little more area. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the rasters. So I'm going to add this file, Wyoming rasters. So that makes the rasters available to the project. Then I'm going to click here on the settings icon, and I'm going to add a track, and I'm going to create a new track here, and I'm going to call it, my rasters, for example. And I'm going to create this, and I need to tell it the type is raster, and then I need to add the gamma ray here, and I'm going to use the little toggle arrows, same as I would for a regular log track, to display it here. I'm going to make it a little bit wider so it doesn't distort the image as much. And then I'm going to zoom in to an area of interest and zoom in a little bit more. Maybe I've made that too wide here. So let me make that track a bit narrower. And what you can see here is we have our gamma ray curve here, and you can see we've got this peak in our gamma ray, we've got this peak in our gamma ray. And so you can see we've now got this raster in, and it's lining up. And we can check our other wells here. So, I'm going to just click here on a different well. Once again, we'll zoom in to an area and see if we can identify our same patterns here. And sure enough, we can see our gamma ray and our gamma ray here. And we'll do this for a third well here. So once again, we can see that our the raster from our gamma ray is, or from the gamma ray from our raster is reflecting the gamma ray for our CPI. All right, so that is how we can use rasters in the CPI. Now, one caveat here is at present, rasters are not compatible with the cross section in the CPI, so we got to use those for the cross section in the map, which I will show you how to do in the next video. Thank you.